Hi guys, this is Ty. I'm gonna go over this robot vacuum by Easy Home, found at Aldi, and I kind of wanted to test it out and see how well it performs. I mean, we've been wanting to get a robot vacuum for a while, and we've been looking online, looking at the Rombas and the alternatives, and we found this one in Aldi for $100, and I've been wondering, like, is this any good? I'm gonna go over what's in it. So as you can see, it's got a unit, it's got a docking station, the charging cable, and it comes with 2 brushes. Now let's go ahead and start putting this thing together. Now, according to the manual, it says to put the brushes first. So let's take the vacuum out of the bag. It feels pretty sturdy and heavy in my hands, so it feels like it's a well-built machine. It's got the center brush, and it's got 2 wheels on the side, which are to move the units around. And alright, so let's go ahead and put the rotating brush onto the unit. Now they snap onto the vacuum, the bottom of the vacuum, and it takes a little bit of pressure to actually put them together. So you gotta press down a little hard on it and turn it to lock it in place. So to open up the trash bin, you just press the button on the top, and the bin just comes out, easily accessible. The lid somehow doesn't really close all that well, but it fits in there snugly, so let's put it back. Now after charging it for, I think, between 3 or 4 hours, it's fully charged and looks pretty neat. And actually it's not really that loud, I thought. Now let me fast forward this a little bit to speed this up. It does pretty much its own thing, you know. It's got a sensor on the top, just like all the other robots, and whenever it bumps into a wall or something, it knows to back up, and then it knows to turn around and vacuum the rest of the room. Now, just to show you how much dirt has actually been vacuumed in my dining room, unlocking it from the top, you can see this picked up this much dirt and dust and from the floor. So I thought it did a pretty good job. I was quite impressed by how much it picked up from our dining room. So putting it back out there and let it run a little more. I did the rest of the house, the family room. So as a final thought, I would give this a 2 thumbs up. It did a very good job at picking up things. Thanks for watching.